Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this channel you get beautiful, amazing hairstyles, ideas and inspiration. And please, if you're new to this channel, do it to subscribe, like, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I upload the hairstyle trendy video that's a trendy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you beautiful, amazing cornrows hairstyles, ideas and inspiration. Beautiful and amazing hairstyle inspiration that you will love. This hairstyle is so beautiful and unique. I love each and every of these hairstyles that I'm showing you on this video right now. This cornrows hairstyle, you can use any color of hair extension that you love. Do you know you can rock this hairstyle to any occasion? And this hairstyle will give you that unique look and that baby face look, and make you look so beautiful and more younger. This hairstyle, I love each and every one of them. I don't know about you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.